guys, just been to price a job that's prompted this this quick video. So if you're going to be taking walls out of properties, load-bearing walls, that work's notifiable to your local authority. Either that or you get an approved building inspector privately. Either way, the work needs to be certified and signed off when you've completed it. So what that involves, if you're going to go down the local authority route, is it's your builder's responsibility, but obviously you guys as the owners are going to ultimately be paying for that service. But your builder needs to notify the local authority or private inspector, whichever road you're going down. And depending upon the council, you're looking at somewhere between £170 to £200 for that work to be certified and signed off. What the building inspector is going to ask you for is, or your private building inspector, they're going to ask you for calculations for the steel beam that you're going to be fitting, which is going to be carrying the loads from the wall that you've removed. So that steel beam has to be designed. You can't just go and get a steel beam that's been in your drive for 14 years, that's rusted up to fuck, and just throw it into the wall. You can't do that. Well, you can, but you won't get it. You won't get it signed off, certified. Then you're going to have issues when it comes to either refinance or selling that property. Not to mention the safety aspect of things. So don't try and cut corners with this element of work. So what prompted the video was I've just been to price up a project for a property developer. Well, believe it or not, and he asked me if I'd do it without those things. So I've got the steel beam in my back garden, so I don't need an engineer's design. And can you not tell the council? Can you just come and fit this beam and knock out that wall? No, we can't. We're a professional construction company. If you want that, go and see James down at the pub, and he might square you up. But we won't be getting involved with anything like that. So I just want to move on to costs as to why he wants to go down this road. So as I've just said there, your structural engineers, your building inspector fees, you're going to be anywhere between 170 and 200 quid, depending on the local authority. Your structural engineers report, again, depending on who you use and the locality to their office of the project, you know, you can pay anywhere between £300 and £500. So you're getting on for sort of 700 quid now, top end. And then your skips as well. For your average wall out, if you're going to need an 8-yarder, we'll add on another 150. So you can see that you're 850 quid before you've even stepped foot on site. And then there's the steel to buy, obviously, as well. So if your average, let's just say it's a 3.5 metre beam, which is seems to be the average these days that we're buying and fitting, looking at another 100 quid. So 850 quid there straight off the bat before you've even started work. Don't try and dodge these formalities and fees, because you're just setting yourself up for a headache in the future. That's all for now.